Hello, welcome to Curse Brains. In this video, I will be showing how to create fake or alternate Telegram account using mobile. Need a temporary email? You can get one from TextNow, or any other temporary email service. For privacy reasons, I have hidden emails and phone numbers. Copy your temporary email ID, and open TextNow application for signing up, and getting a new anonymous number. Allow TextNow application with all the permissions it's asking for. For working Telegram, WhatsApp, TextNow verification codes, stay tuned on my blog, link in the description. You will get some random anonymous United States numbers from the TextNow depending on the area code you enter. I have blurred out the number for privacy reasons. Select a number which feels good to you. As you select a number from the list, you have to follow the screen steps to confirm and copy your number. Once you copied the number, open Telegram application to create a new account with that number. Select the country and paste the copied TextNow number into Telegram. Once you pasted the TextNow number, wait for a few minutes and you will get a verification code from Telegram on your TextNow application. As you get the verification code, enter the verification code in the Telegram application to verify your account. As the verification is successful, your Telegram alternate or fake account will be created. Make sure to enter your name, username to make it look legit. To make sure you don't lose your TextNow number, just keep texting or using for verification purpose, so you won't lose the number. That's it. That's how you can create fake or alternate Telegram account successfully. Hope I have explained each and everything clearly. Leave your comments and doubts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for much more videos. Thank you for watching this video.